Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how to react on Reels on Instagram. So to react to Reels, firstly make sure that your device is connected to the internet and then open up Instagram. Once you open up Instagram, on the bottom of your screen you'll see this Reels option. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on the Reels option, Reels will appear on your screen. Now choose a reel on which you want to react to. And on the right hand side below the likes option, you'll see this comment button. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on the comment button, you will see all these emojis which you can use to react to the reel. So let's say you want to react using this laugh emoji. Just go ahead and tap on it like this and then click on this send button. And once you do that, you will have reacted with emojis to the reel. I hope this video helped you to react on Reels on Instagram. Don't forget to like, share and comment on the video, and do subscribe to the channel for more such amazing tutorials. Thank you for watching.